Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see the top 5 library packages for the data science role. Okay, so whenever you are preparing for any kind of data science role, whether it can be data analyst or whether it can be data scientist role, okay, so the interview panelist or the recruiters, they will definitely ask the questions related to like some kind of machine learning concepts and all. Okay, so even though if you're not very much perfect in machine learning, but definitely they are going to ask you some of the questions related to these top 5 library packages. Okay, so Python is mostly famous for its library packages. It is having wide variety of library packages, and it is also having a very good features for which is very much required for the data science. Okay, so there are some top 5 libraries. What I can say is like instead of telling the top 5 libraries, I can say like some of the best 5 library packages, which is the most important library packages, which is very much required for the data science role. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to tell you those 5 library packages. Kindly prepare those library packages. Try to have knowledge on those library packages, like how to install those library packages and how to work on the data science pipeline using those library packages, whether it can be used for the EDA feature engineering, feature selection, or whether it can be used for the model building and all. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you these 5 library packages. So I will just, so those library packages are the NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, and which is the most important, last but not least, is NLTK, that is Natural Language Toolkit. Okay, so the NumPy, we already know that NumPy is a numerical Python, which is mostly used for working with the arrays, and it's also used for working on the linear algebra and all. Okay, so the pandas, we all know that pandas we basically used for the data processing. The data processing mostly works by using the Python pandas. Okay, so the NumPy and pandas are the most important library packages for the data science role. And we all know that the scikit-learn is basically used for implementing the machine learning algorithm, and matplotlib is basically used for the building the graphs and all. Okay, and when it comes to the NLTK means the like natural language toolkit, which is also one of the most important library packages whenever you are working with the text data. Okay, especially for the natural language processing problems. Okay, so these are all the top 5 library packages for the data science role. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and thank you. Bye bye.